Hello, aspiring marketers. Are you still struggling to reach potential customers and boost sales for your products and services? To achieve your objectives, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies? Then it's time to take a breather. As of today, I'm going to spill the beans on internet marketing, the best way to spread a positive message about your company and attract, engage, and convert virtual visitors to customers. Fascinating, right? This is just the beginning of the story. Let's check out some fascinating facts that will get you glued to it. Number 1. Retargeting ads are 76% more likely to get clicks than regular display ads. Number 2. 99% of consumers check their email every day. Number 3. YouTube is the second most visited website after Google. Number 4. Facebook is the #1 social media platform, with more than 2.3 billion active monthly users. Number 5. More than 68% of buyers make their purchase decisions after reading online reviews for a brand. Whoosh! These results are surely going to sweep you off your feet. And I know you're feeling lured to reap the immense benefits that internet marketing holds for your business. Wait, hold on for just a second. The grass is not always green on the other side. To become successful, you need proper information that is proven and tested, as well as keeps you in good shape and saves you from losing your time and money. Don't worry, here's an easy and proven system to add this to your marketing arsenal and take your business to Cloud 9. Presenting Complete Internet Marketing 2019-20 Training Guide. This step-by-step training guide will take you by the hand and teach you how to create engaging and profitable internet marketing campaigns and boost leads, sales, and profits. With its proper use, you can learn alternative internet marketing methods that make instant money. And most importantly, you'll discover advanced internet marketing tips and tricks to boost sales and profits. Plus, you don't need to be a hardcore techie to get these benefits. Even a non-tech guy can use this with no problem. Folks, it's time to break the monotony and lay your hands on this jam-packed Complete Internet Marketing 2019-20 Training Guide, so you can steal the spotlight from your competitors like you've always wanted. A word of caution: the price will shoot up to its original soon. I wish you a profitable and successful business ahead.